Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L in bright white. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear cross path detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 48,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated second row seating, SEATBACK video screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7595.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.